How to rebuild an emergency fund after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Divorce can take a serious toll on your finances, and one of the first casualties is often your emergency fund. Whether it was drained during the process or never existed in the first place, rebuilding that financial cushion is one of the smartest steps you can take to regain control and security after divorce. Start by setting a realistic savings goal. A fully stocked emergency fund typically covers 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Think rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and transportation. But if that feels overwhelming, don't worry. Start small. Even saving $500 to $1,000 can make a big difference when life throws you a curveball. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account into a separate savings account every payday. Even $25 or $50 a week adds up over time. And automating it means you don't have to think about it or rely on willpower. We helped a client who was starting over financially after her divorce. She began saving just $40 per week into a separate account. Within 6 months, she had a $1,000 buffer that helped her cover car repairs without using credit cards. And that peace of mind was priceless. At Divorce 661, we support you far beyond the paperwork. We provide financial planning tools and post-divorce checklists that help you take practical, confident steps toward rebuilding your life, including your emergency savings. If you've gone through a divorce and need help getting your financial footing back, visit Divorce661.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll help you build a plan to protect your future, reduce stress, and move forward with confidence.